to Kids Club
Screen Stars!
My name's Natalie.
And my name's Andrew.
We are going to be looking at fear. Right, so Andrew.
Yeah.
And you watching us, I want you to close your eyes.
I close my eyes.
And I want you to use your imagination.
Use my imagination.
And close your mouth.
Oh.
Because we're just going to be listening to this and using our imagination. So eyes closed.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, so imagine this. You are walking through a jungle. It is hot.
Ooh.
There are loads of trees.
Hot.
You can hear birds singing.
Parrots.
Oh, nice. But then suddenly, on the path ahead of you,
What?
leaps out a tiger.
Ah! Oh, but I like tigers.
Well, it's a real tiger. It's
What?
not just one that is on the television.
Big tiger, like full
So
size.
have a think, without saying anything. Have a think. How do you feel?
Wow.
Right, you can open your eyes.
Oh, the tiger's gone.
And I want you to think about how you feel. This might be in your head, in your thoughts. It might be how you feel in your body.
I think
How
I'd
do you
be
feel?
sweaty.
Oh, sweaty?
Yeah. This is,
Why?
my heart would be beating really fast.
Oh.
Because this tiger's just appeared. I'm feeling like scared in my stomach, like feeling.
What does that feel like in your stomach?
A little bit like maybe a bit sick, or a bit something grabbing you in your stomach.
Interesting. So a bit sweaty.
Yeah, I just don't know what to do. I'm a bit confused.
Or maybe if I was in that situation, I
It's all
might
coming
feel
back
like
to me.
I just need to run away.
Yeah.
Really move fast and get away from this.
Yeah.
Have you ever felt like that before? So I don't imagine you've been in a jungle
No.
and suddenly seen a tiger in front of you. But why did you have those feelings? Maybe a bit sweaty, heart beating really fast, a sick feeling in your stomach, your brain feeling a bit confused or making you want to run. Have you ever had any of those sorts of feelings before?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes, shall I give an example? Or not?
Oh, if you want to.
I think when I've been somewhere for the first time, like started something, sometimes now and again I've had those feelings.
Yeah.
Before playing a very important football match.
Ah.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So there are times where we might have those feelings in different situations. But why? If you have those feelings, then quite often those are associated with times when we feel afraid. It's because of fear.
It is, because we're scared.
Right. Now, if fear makes us feel like that, is fear or feeling afraid, is feeling afraid a bad thing?
No, because when I was in that jungle and I saw that tiger,
Right.
and all those feelings of fear hit me,
Yeah.
and the different consequences of my body responding,
Okay.
I wanted to get away from that tiger, and that would have been helpful to remove myself.
Okay, so
So
it's
that
like
fear-
the fear is telling you that that situation is dangerous.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. But are there ever any times where you get those feelings and you're not in danger? So your body is making you feel afraid, but actually you're not in danger.
I guess, yeah. Because when before a big football match,
Yeah.
then I don't need to run away from that. I need to just play, but I'm still a bit nervous about what might happen, if I'll play well, if the opposition are going to be really good.
Yeah.
But if I run away at that point, it's not
That's
running
not
away
helpful.
from danger. It's
Okay.
running away from a situation that I'm just a little bit
So
afraid
there
of.
are times when fear
Yeah,
can be useful. It's our body's way of telling us that there is something dangerous.
yeah,
But sometimes fear can be unhelpful because actually we're not in danger,
that's right, yeah.
and it's kind of could prevent us from a good experience.
Definitely.
Okay.
Because I
Well.
scored a hat-trick in that game.
Quite good at football. What is the point of the Feelings First Aid Kit?
The Feelings First Aid Kit helps us when our emotions and feelings sometimes can get too much, and it might feel like, oh, we're about to maybe explode or about to let those feelings out in a wrong way, in a way that, it's all right. We've said to have emotions and feelings, it's a good thing,
Yeah.
but it's how we express those emotions and feelings. And our Feelings First Aid Kit helps us to express them in a positive way.
Right, so you can use any type of container, but you don't want anything that's too big because you want to be able to carry it around. This week, what we are putting inside our Feelings First Aid Kit is... Do you know?
No, what is it?
Sounds!
What? Sound.
Did you know that
There's not any in mine yet.
sounds can have an influence on how we feel?
Ah.
So have a think. What sort of sounds do you enjoy hearing? What sort of sounds make you feel a bit confused or angry?
What sort of sounds are really annoying,
Oh, that's a good question.
frustrate you?
Oh, or irritating.
Ooh.
Are there any sounds that make you feel happy? So to help you, could use one of these pens or a pencil. Get something to write with. Get yourself a little bit of paper. It could just be a tiny little scrap of paper. It doesn't need to be anything big. And have a think about those sounds and the ones that make you feel happy or calm. Those are the ones that we want to write down. So have a look at this. Do you like any of these sounds? All sorts of things that make all sorts of sounds. I wonder what you have been writing down and what sounds you enjoy. I really enjoyed the sound of the water in that clip. Do you like the sound of water as
I love
well?
the sound of the water, and I love the sound of the sea as well. Just being at the seaside and hearing the waves
Oh, if you had a
lapping up
shell,
on the rock.
if you had a shell, you could listen to it, and that would sound a bit like being at the beach.
What?
And you could put
How do you
that
listen to a shell?
in your container, couldn't you?
Does it sound like the sea?
It can do, yeah, if you've got a
Wow.
big shell. Oh, that'd be so cool.
Cool.
There are other things that make sounds.
Bong.
No, I don't like that one. Do you like that one?
Yeah. You hear that one?
I quite like that. Are you going to put that one in your feelings first aid kit?
There we go.
So it might be that you've written down some things that you can put in your feelings first aid kit.
What about that one?
Or you can find some things around the house that you can put in too.
What about this one, Natalie?
This isn't going to fit.
No, maybe you could play the tune.
This you could write down. If maybe you play an instrument.
Yeah. Well done,
Maybe
that was
you
good.
play an instrument better than me. But anyway, you could write down play an instrument because
Definitely.
that is really good for just calming down your emotions when you need to get out your feelings first aid kit. What else? You could make an instrument. Look at this. I've got an old lid that isn't needed anymore.
Doesn't sound like an instrument to me.
It doesn't, does it? I've got some elastic bands.
Right.
Right, watch this, yeah.
All right, I'm watching.
Because it's really good, this.
Cool.
Right, because if I put the elastic band over there...
Yeah.
Let's be quiet. Shh. Could you hear that? How cool is that? So it makes sounds. Maybe I can get another one on. Do you think I can?
These aren't just elastic bands, these are loom bands.
They're just elastic bands to me. Right. Oh, that's slightly different. Do you think I could get another one on?
I think you could.
Have you got an old lid that the adult in your house could give you permission to use? And maybe some elastic bands that might fit and stretch.
It's like a
Across.
whole new world of making instruments. It's like a dream day.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look at this. They make different sounds. That will fit in my feelings first aid kit. Oh, it's like
Like
a
a guitar. Natalie's so clever. Guys, you can make your own guitar. All you need is a lid and some elastic bands.
That is so cool. Right, that's going in my feelings first aid kit. Are there songs that maybe get you a bit more worked up? Are there songs that calm you down? Maybe you could write those down. Maybe you could listen to an audio book, listen to a story.
That's a good idea, yeah.
Do you like that?
That calms people down a lot.
It can do, yeah. And I love to listen to songs about God because that helps me to think of how wonderful God is and to remember that however I'm feeling and whatever is causing those feelings, I can welcome God into that situation and ask Him to help me. That helps calm me down.
Fantastic. What is our Bible verse for today, Natalie?
We have got something exciting next for our Bible verse because we're not just going to read it out.
What?
No, we are going to show you a craft activity
Ooh.
that is part of the Bible verse.
Wow.
So watch this. so much to that fantastic girl who created that craft for you guys. Isn't it brilliant? Have you made yours? Here's the one that she made. And the Bible verse for today is
1 John 4 verse 18. Where God's love is, there is no fear, because God's perfect love takes away fear.
fantastic. Could you hold your face that you've made and say that verse with us one more time?
1 John 4 verse 18. Where God's love is, there is no fear, because God's perfect love takes away fear.
That is brilliant. And let's remember that where it says you are loved, there might be different people that you can think of who love you, and that's fantastic. But we can all know that God loves each one of us and that his love takes away fear. Let's trust God.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
fantastic.
Check out more videos on Kids Club Screen Stars on YouTube. See you soon.
Bye.